Hi, Jay from Downey Nelson Company. Wanted to make a video of power washing patio pavers. That is a tongue twister, so bear with me here. So power washing patio pavers. Pavers represent a really large investment for most homeowners. Whether it's a rear deck that you're seeing here, or walkways, or around the pool, or front walkways. But the truth is that power washing pavers makes most homeowners nervous. They're nervous that you're going to cause damage, or you're going to cause some unsettling of the pavers. So either most homeowners avoid it. This one wasn't, what you're seeing here wasn't washed in 18 years since it was installed, or they attempt to do it themselves. This is the single dirtiest job that you're ever going to do at your house. The amount of dirt that gets blown up from the wand when you're power washing is just unbelievable. Everything gets covered. And because of that, most people rush through this job very quickly. You get a very uneven cleaning. Not only that, but that wand, since most people are pointing it directly down into the paver cracks, you're blowing out a lot of the sand between, and that's where you start to get some of the unsettling. So the difference between what I just explained to you and what you're seeing us do, first of all, we do a multiple step process. We put down a concrete soap. This sits, it breaks up the mold and algae and mildew. We then come over with this large surface cleaner. This surface cleaner is actually not a very high PSI. It's got 4 jets. They're all set at an angle so that it's not directly blowing down into the cracks. We are taking multiple passes in multiple different directions, and you're getting a very thorough cleaning. We'll then put down some more soap. We'll let that sit, and then we're going to rinse. About 1/3 to 1/4 of our time is just rinsing everything down, rinsing the patio, making sure the dirt's all away from the patio. The homeowner, we tell the homeowner, let it dry for a day or two, and most homeowners will apply their own sand, the sand that goes in between the cracks, and what you're going to be left with is just a very, very thorough cleaning. It'll be our pleasure to provide you with an estimate. We just need some general dimensions and some pictures, and you're going to, again, you're just going to be left with a very clean patio ready to go for many, many years to come. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, send them to us. We love answering questions. We hope you have a great day, and wash on.